Virtual reality has just taken a massive leap forward, and the Meta Quest 4 is here to lead the charge. Packed with serious upgrades in performance, display technology, and design, this isn't just a small step forward. It could be a defining moment for immersive gaming and mixed reality. But the big question is it truly revolutionary, or simply a polished upgrade to the Quest 3? Over the next few minutes, we're diving deep into every major improvement, from breathtaking visuals to lightning-fast performance, and from next-level mixed reality features to software refinements that could change how you work and play in VR. Whether you're a hardcore gamer, a creative professional, or someone looking for a new way to connect socially in the virtual world, we've tested it in all the ways that matter most. Stay tuned, hit that subscribe button, and let's find out if the Meta Quest 4 is the upgrade you've been waiting for. The Meta Quest 4 carries the legacy of the Quest 3 but raises the bar in almost every way. It's a device designed to push standalone VR further, bridging the gap between pure gaming entertainment and real-world mixed reality applications. Meta has made it clear that this headset is meant to be more than a toy. It's positioned as a versatile tool for gaming, creativity, social interaction, and even productivity. The first thing you notice is the improved design. The headset feels lighter, slimmer, and more balanced on your head. The use of premium materials not only adds durability but also enhances comfort during long sessions. The redesigned head strap distributes weight more evenly, and the upgraded ventilation keeps things cooler during extended use. Magnetic face cushions make cleaning easier and allow for quick swaps if you're sharing the headset with friends or family. Visuals are where the Quest 4 takes a noticeable leap. The adoption of OLED or micro-OLED panels delivers richer, more vibrant colors and deeper blacks. Each eye gets a stunning 2500 by 2500 resolution, making text sharper and details more defined. The refresh rate reaches a buttery smooth 120 Hz or higher, reducing motion blur and increasing realism. The notorious screen door effect is almost entirely gone, thanks to a big jump in pixel density, making every experience feel more lifelike. Under the hood, a next-gen Snapdragon XR chipset co-developed with Qualcomm drives the system. This custom hardware ensures faster load times, smoother performance, and the ability to handle more detailed, complex virtual environments without needing a PC connection. AI-enhanced features, such as advanced hand tracking and natural voice controls, benefit greatly from this power boost. Multitasking is now seamless, allowing you to switch between apps and games without frustration. Controllers have also received a major overhaul. They now feature improved haptics, better ergonomics, and longer battery life. Some reports indicate built-in cameras or sensors for enhanced inside-out tracking, making movements more precise and intuitive. The button layout is more user-friendly, catering to gamers and productivity users alike. Mixed reality experiences have been supercharged. Full color pass-through now looks more natural, and new depth sensors allow for highly accurate room mapping and object recognition. You can move between virtual and physical spaces almost instantly, which is perfect for design work, interactive AR applications, or simply blending games into your real environment. The software side is equally impressive. Horizon OS feels faster, more responsive, and offers better tools for mixed reality. Deeper integration with Meta's virtual worlds makes social experiences more immersive, with AI avatars, interactive events, and intelligent environments adding to the realism. This isn't just about playing games anymore. It's about working, creating, and socializing in entirely new ways. The Meta Quest 4 is more than a small step forward. It's a redefinition of what a standalone headset can be. From display clarity to processing power, from immersive Mr. features to thoughtful hardware design, it's shaping up to be the most capable and versatile Quest yet. Thanks for joining us here at Technify for our in-depth look at the Meta Quest 4. If you enjoyed this review, give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear which features you're most excited about or what you hope Meta improves in the future. Make sure you're subscribed and have the notification bell turned on so you won't miss our upcoming deep dives into the latest gaming gear, VR advancements, and future tech trends. At Technify, we're committed to bringing you honest, detailed, and engaging tech reviews that help you make smarter buying decisions. Whether you're a gamer, a creator, or just a curious explorer of the digital frontier, there's always something new to discover here. Until next time, keep pushing boundaries, keep exploring new realities, and keep the adventure alive with Technify. See you in the next video.